Hello, namaskar, bonjour, salam to everyone watching out my vlog. And today I am at Tanjavur, Tanjavur's big temple or Brihadeshwar temple. Maratha dynasty has also contributed here in Tanjavur. So this was built around 110 AD, which makes it 1000 years, more than 1000 years old. The legend says that they built a ramp from here to there to take that stone on the top from here to there, and around 80 to 100 elephants were present to pull the whole rock, which is around 80 to 100 tons. It is one of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Hello, namaskar, bonjour, salam to everyone watching out my vlog. And today I am at Tanjavur, and I've came here to visit a special temple which is called Tanjavur's big temple or Brihadeshwar temple, which was made by the great king of Chola dynasty, Raja 1, Chola 1. And this is how it looks. So this was built around 110 AD, which makes it 1000 years, more than 1000 years old. And it is one of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. This is how it looks from inside. And it is so big, so massive, and the architecture here is so beautiful. Look at the architecture, guys. This is so beautiful. No wonder they made it look so beautiful. You can see all the structure. We have little Ganpati, Shivas all over the temple. And yeah, this is so beautiful. I guess this is the entrance or the exit. I don't know. Maybe the entrance is in front and this might be the exit. People are sitting here, so this is an exit, or you can enter from here. As you can see, people are going in. There are many entrances here. I don't know what is this part, but this is something like a boundary. Wow, superb. And yeah, there are more temples in here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, maybe more, 6. I can see in front of me there are 6 temples right now. So I don't know how much are in total inside the structure. That's the main gate there, which was built by a Maratha king who was residing here for a long period of time. So the history is about Maratha king and the Maratha dynasty situated in Tanjavur, and especially Maratha king Sherfoji Maharaj, who rebuilt or reconstructed some parts of this temple, is praised here. And this is how it looks. So yeah, Maratha dynasty has also contributed here in Tanjavur. People or the legend says that they built a ramp from here to there to take that stone on the top from here to there, and around 80 to 100 elephants were present to pull the whole rock, which is around 80 to 100 tons. So the ramp was built from the main gate, I believe, till the top. Guys, I just came out of the temple, and behind me there is the biggest temple in this whole area. So if you go inside, there is a lingam, which is a symbol of Lord Shiva, and behind it you have a big structure of Vasuki snake, a golden structure of it. If you come here, you have to visit this one in Tanjavur, this temple. Yeah, it is so good, it is so nice, and you cannot shoot inside anything, so I was not able to capture anything, but outside the temple you can do it with the mobile, so it's okay. So I am at the front of the temple, and this is the statue of Nandi, the carrier of Lord Shiva, which is a bull, and he is sitting here and telling us that you have to be patient like me to enter the temple. So before entering the temple, you have to come here and take his blessings. You can see this is a big statue, and after that you have to go in this temple, take the blessings from this temple, and then you have to go to the main temple, which is Lord Shiva's temple. So now we are going towards the main gate, which is also called as Gopuram. This is something written in Tamil. Maybe it can be Mahabharat or Ramayan or anything, I don't know, because I don't understand the language. It is so ancient language, and it is all over the boundaries of the main temple, the Shiva temple, and that's the Gopuram over there, the main entrance. So right now I'm outside of the temple, and this is the main entrance, the main Gopuram of the temple, and from here you can go inside, get the structure. And now everyone is coming in, so this is the ideal time to come in after it is little cold, because right now the temperature is somewhere around 40 degrees everywhere in South India. There you can keep your shoes and all. So right now we are going to collect our shoes. Guys, Tanjavur's travel is finished and it's raining in Tanjavur. I'm heading towards Rameshwaram, and the weather says that it's going to rain the whole day when I am there. So it is very good for me because it will be cold and not super hot. By the way, the chances of rain is like 10% to 20%, so that is not much, but this is a lot. But yeah, I'm traveling the whole time when it's going to happen, so it's good for me.